Oh, hey y'all, let me open up for you. Hey y'all, welcome to Lucktone Woodshop. Come on in. We are a custom cabinetry company that also does CNC production. So let's go to my office and see how it all begins. Everything starts right here. We build all of our designs on the computer. So we spend a lot of time and a lot of effort measuring, going through edits, red lines, redrawings to get this as perfect and as close as we can for production. Once everything is ready to go, we send all the project files over to the CNC computer. The CNC is really the heart of our business. Without that, this would be a very cumbersome and tough process. We're here at the CNC where everything really begins. After the computer work is done and the design is good, we send all the programs over to Mark and we start running all of our sheets for the cabinets we're building. And we keep all of our materials stocked. So this machine picks it up and we put them on. We usually start with our 1/4 inch material. So that's our cabinet backs and our drawer bottoms. And that helps the flow of events of how we like to build cabinets and keeps our process as efficient as we can. So as parts come off, we label each one, we stack them and get them ready to get edge banded. After the parts come off the CNC, it's time to edge band them. And so this machine, depending on what cabinets we're building, whether it's a paint grade or a walnut veneer or white oak, that changes which edge banding we use. Those parts come off the edge bander, they're ready to get organized into these carts over here for assembly. These carts are organized by cabinet number and rooms, so we know all the parts that go to one cabinet. We make all of our dovetail drawers in-house, so we keep all of our drawer stock sides in stock. Things get cut to size. As they get cut, they come into our dovetail machining area. And the reason we do this is it helps keep up with our production schedule. We don't have to order these from somewhere else and wait for them to get shipped. We don't have to order them 3 weeks ahead of time to match our production schedule. This is where we do all of our staging with cabinets. Once they're done with assembly, we move them over here. This is kind of a chaotic pile, but the good thing about that is that means we've got a lot done. This amount of cabinetry after CNC time and assembly is only about 2 days of work. If we didn't have the CNC and the edge bander and the way we build things, this amount of cabinets could take 2 weeks to build, but here it takes us just a couple days. For these cabinets in particular, we are doing the finishing. It's gonna get a Rubio Monocoat top coat. It's really best for me if we can finish in the shop and not site finish. The quality goes way up. We can control the factors. We can spray things flat. We can put things to dry, and this really helps create a better product. Thanks for coming out and seeing how we build cabinets and do all of our work here at Lucktone Woodshop. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and thanks for tuning in.